The law of the real world. Tell me, what does the meal from your friend's Instagram post actually taste like? What does the air smell like in that country you keep seeing in travel vlogs? What do the lovers in your favorite TV series truly feel when they hold each other? What does the interior of that luxury car from a popular show actually feel like beneath your fingertips? If you think you know the answer, then what you are experiencing is only imagination mixed with fragments of your own memories. But what is it really like? Even if we choose to see human beings as highly spiritual creatures, we still exist inside physical bodies, and those bodies were created to constantly interact with the real world. Your senses exist for one reason: to experience reality directly. In truth, everything genuinely meaningful in your life comes only through real experience. But today, reality itself has undergone a strange transformation because humanity has created a second world, the digital one. Look around the next time you are in a public place. Most people will be staring into screens. Some smile, others become angry. Some anxiously consume the latest news. It almost feels as though the physical world itself has lost significance because what happens on a screen has become more emotionally important than what happens around them. It is time to become acquainted with the law of the real world. Human beings are analog creatures, and their real lives exist only in physical reality. Have you ever stopped to think about the fact that everything with a screen steals pieces of your life? You progress through video games, become emotionally attached to fictional characters, receive dopamine hits from short videos and endless feeds. But when you finally put the phone down, what actually remains in reality? Nothing has changed. You are still standing in the same place, with the same problems, the same possibilities, the same unfinished life waiting for you. Even though only minutes ago your brain was flooding your body with chemicals while the screen kept your imagination electrified. You simply had a dream while awake. And yet the things that truly transform a person always leave consequences in the real world. The magic of the screen lies in the fact that the brain struggles to distinguish virtual experience from real experience. A boss fight in a game triggers adrenaline. A tragic movie scene can make you cry. A viral video can provoke rage or desire. All of this creates the illusion that you are living through meaningful experiences, while in reality, you are often doing nothing more than watching an endless dream unfold before your eyes. An illusion of connection while remaining profoundly alone. Surface-level knowledge replacing depth. A feeling of success without any real achievement. Instead of immersing yourself in physical reality, the kind of experience capable of changing you at your core, you are handed a simulation designed largely to manipulate your ego. You're no longer choosing freely. The system is choosing for you. The algorithm often understands your impulses better than your own parents ever did, and it will always feed you exactly what keeps you trapped in the electric dream for as long as possible. Does this mean the digital world is evil, and we should all abandon society to live in the woods? Of course not. The digital world is merely a tool, not reality itself. A hammer can be used to torture someone or to build a home. The tool itself is neither good nor evil, meaning comes from the way it is used. The same is true of the digital world. It can help you earn money, expand your knowledge, connect with others, create art, build businesses, and share ideas. Or it can slowly replace your existence while your real life quietly decays in the background. Thousands of followers will never cure loneliness. They're only digital reflections of people. The truth is that only real human beings, physically present in your life, are capable of creating genuine intimacy, and no screen can fully imitate that. Falsehood is something the body instinctively recognizes. Your body will always long for reality. It wants sunlight on your skin, ocean water against your body, the smell of air after a thunderstorm, warmth from other people, movement, touch, risk, presence. It craves real experiences, experiences that are often far more powerful than anything happening behind glass. The law of the real world teaches that your digital existence can only develop at the expense of your real one. And the brighter and more immersive the illusion becomes, the larger the emptiness it leaves behind in reality. So tell me honestly, are you balancing your digital life with your real one? Or do you believe humanity has already evolved beyond physical existence, and that the digital world is now our true habitat? Write your thoughts in the comments. This conversation matters. And do not forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel. Here we explore the laws of life that help us avoid some of existence's most dangerous mistakes.